Before you were born, before Earth formed, before light existed, what was there? What if the universe we live in isn't the first or the only one? What if nothingness never existed at all? And what if the greatest mystery isn't where the universe began, but whether it ever did? This isn't science fiction. This is one of the most profound investigations humanity has ever undertaken. And tonight, we journey into it. 13.8 billion years ago, everything, literally everything, kicked off with the Big Bang. Not an explosion in space, but space itself expanding. At insane speed, from something smaller than a proton came time, energy, matter, and the universe as we know it. Boom! Inflation. The universe grew faster than light. Sounds impossible, right? But it happened. Let's check out a quick visual, how this cosmic moment might have unfolded. Years later, NASA's COBE and WMAP satellites picked up the leftovers, the cosmic microwave background, the universe's baby picture, still glowing, still there. But here's the big question. Did the universe actually come from nothing? Or is there more to the story than we've discovered? Quantum physics says empty space isn't empty. It's filled with a quantum vacuum, where particles flicker in and out of existence. A seething foam of uncertainty. It suggests nothing is never really nothing.
Now, the amazing thing is that we have learned, one of the great developments of 20th century physics, is that nothing is not so simple. When you put together the laws of quantum mechanics and relativity, then empty space becomes a dynamical thing, much more dynamical. When you put together quantum mechanics and special relativity, it turns out that there must be, that the empty space is really a boiling, bubbling brew of virtual particles that are popping in and out of existence in a time scale so short you can't see them.
Theoretical physicist Lawrence Krauss, in his book, A Universe from Nothing, proposed that quantum laws alone can create a universe. Maybe the universe isn't built on nothing, but on hidden potential. What if the Big Bang wasn't the beginning? What if there was something before? One idea, eternal inflation. Picture our universe as just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam. Inflation didn't stop, it's still going, creating endless other universes, each with their own rules. Then there's the big bounce. Maybe the universe didn't start, it restarted. A previous cosmos collapsed, then bounced back, like the universe is breathing, expanding, collapsing, forever. Or Roger Penrose's conformal cyclic cosmology. Universes are born, live, die, and pass the torch to the next. And if you really want to melt your brain, what if everything we see, galaxies, stars, you, me, is just a 3D projection from data on a 2D surface? A cosmic illusion before the Big Bang? Maybe it's not one answer, but a multiverse of possibilities. Long before science, ancient cultures were already asking, where did everything come from? Why are we here? In Hindu cosmology, the universe doesn't begin and end. It cycles. Brahma creates, Vishnu maintains, Shiva resets the world. The Mayans believed in a series of worlds, each one created, then destroyed, then replaced. The Egyptians imagined a vast ocean. None. From that darkness came land, gods, and life. Science seeks data. Ancient stories speak through symbols, and maybe they're not so different. Einstein flipped our idea of time. It's not a ticking clock. It bends, stretches, even slows down near massive objects. Some scientists say time doesn't flow at all. Past, present, future, all exist. It's called the block universe. Others, like Carlo Rovelli, say time might not exist at all. It's just how we experience the interaction of particles. So when we ask, What came before the Big Bang? Maybe that question doesn't even make sense, because before might not exist at all. Everything that begins must end, or maybe not. Some theories say the universe could end in the heat death, where stars fade and all that remains is cold, endless dark. The Big Crunch. Everything collapses into a single point. The Big Rip. Dark energy grows wild, tearing galaxies, planets, even atoms apart. But maybe these endings aren't endings at all. Maybe each one sparks something new. Another universe, another beginning. Stephen Hawking debated whether black holes destroy information. Leonard Susskind says it survives, encoded in the universe itself. Some suggest consciousness, like information, may persist across space-time. Quantum immortality proposes your awareness continues, even after death, in another reality. What if consciousness isn't in the universe, but the universe is in consciousness? All cultures, all science, all seekers ask the same question: where did we come from? And maybe the real answer is, we've always been. The universe may not have begun. It may simply be remembering itself through us. And when it ends, perhaps it won't die, but dream again. If this journey opened your mind, watch our previous video. What if the moon disappeared? Subscribe to NetraVerse, where the cosmos speaks and we listen. Comment below. What do you believe came before everything? Let's uncover the unknown together.